Hi everybody, this is a quick update just to show you where we're at. Okay, that's where it used to be, and now I did drive it around the corner and park it there while the grass got cut. But this is what we're doing now, or we're not doing for a while. Okay, so if you can see that toggle switch on the firewall, that's the source of power for the ignition and the fuel pump. Fuel pump's there. It's running on gas right now. The air cleaner's on there just for show right now. I don't have a post long enough. I'll have to get an all thread and make one. And these being the way they are, I can close that up now or leave it open. And the alternator, it works. I got coolant in it now, so I'm happy about that. So this is probably gonna be its summer hideout. I don't know if I'll have time to work on it anymore or not. I will. I'll finish it, but it'll be a while before I make another video. There's got to be an air compressor. I've been trying to source one, like off a C65 or something. Not having a lot of luck. So the original air compressor may have to be installed. I was thinking originally that I would put it, make it part of that engine mount, front engine mount. I've decided against it. It'll be bolted to the head on this side somewhere, and so consequently there's no brakes on this truck. Well, it's got no air, so it can't. I can move it around. I fired it up and drove it. It needs a tune-up or something, but it does run. It's under its own power now. As long as I can move it forward and back and cut the grass under it, I'll call it a win for now. So that's it. I got an airplane in the shop that I've been really needing to finish. I didn't think this would take as long as it did, but it did, so that's how things go. So once the Aronca's back in the air, maybe I'll get back to this. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video, and please hit the like button if you don't mind. Thanks, bye.